I'm the Precision Ag Manager here at Lassiter Tractor Company, and I'm going to talk about the See & Spray Ultimate Sprayer. The See & Spray Ultimate Sprayer is John Deere's popular line sprayer right now. So what we're standing by is a See & Spray Ultimate, and at the core, or very simply put, it is a sprayer that has two tanks and has two systems on it. You can see tanks 1 and 2 up here. And what that translates to is in the back of the sprayer, you can be broadcasting at the same time you're spot spraying or seeing spraying. So as you're seeing those weeds, you're able to target the weeds and spray them. And so able to save some passes, able to save some time, able to save some money on your chemical applications. One thing that is different about the See & Spray Ultimate that you can probably tell just by looking at it is the truss style carbon fiber boom. So Deere in the past has made a monotube carbon fiber boom, but this is a little bit different. So this boom, having the truss style, gives it extra support and the ability to handle the weight of the cameras that we see across the top. So as you can see, there's cameras here and they're covered by this shield. The purpose of those is to be able to see the weeds, to be able to detect it compared to crop, plus the VPUs. So these are called visual processing units, which the ability, or what these act as that camera feeds in, these process the data and send it back through the machine and back to the display to make a quick second decision and decide whether to turn that nozzle body on when it sees a weed or to not. One other thing to point out that is on this sprayer is exact apply nozzle body. So you can run this sprayer in exact apply mode or broadcast mode without See & Spraying. But this is kind of where the magic happens. You have a dual product exact apply nozzle body, so you can still be pulsing or using pulse width modulation, but you can also be seeing spraying out the back. But then you could also run in combined tank mode and just run exact apply. You can see two sets of plumbing. This sprayer also has product recirculation and product reclaim. So at the end of the day, you can pull that product back in, you can pump fresh water to it out of your rinse tank, and be clean and ready to go for the next day. An additional feature on the See & Spray Ultimate that is different than other John Deere products or other John Deere sprayers is the Boom Track Ultimate. So what this does, it allows for stability along with the carbon fiber boom, but provides that stability as you're moving through the field to be able to spray at 15 miles an hour, be able to see and spray, be able to make decisions quick. It gives the cameras the stability that they need to make quick decisions. Just a quick call out, this is where you would load your two mixing tanks or two solutions. So they essentially act as two completely separate spray systems with valves underneath that open and close using this keypad here. So you can see system 1, system 2. I'm not going to run through all the keypads or all the button presses, but completely separate, tank 1, tank 2. So just wanted to call that out. So a little bit about See & Spray and how this system works, and we are able to get set up in cab is there is a See & Spray icon that we can see two dual independent tanks that we can do different modes of. But the most important thing to call out is what See & Spray is and why it's important. So See & Spray gives you the ability to save on your chemical while you're also able to broadcast. So essentially you can perform something that would take 2 trips to go across the field, you can just do it in one. So that is the biggest saving. So less chemical usage, efficiency, and the ability to spot spray weeds. The most important thing to remember about See & Spray Ultimate specifically is it gives you the ability and the flexibility. So you have the 2 tank systems where you're able to spot spray out of one nozzle and you're able to broadcast out of another. But if it's late season or super early season and you want a full burn down, you can combine tank mode and just run that blanket approach. So it gives you the ability to be more productive with less trips across the field, gives you the ability to save chemical, and ultimately it's the best sprayer that is currently on the market.